Want to add your custom music to your Roblox game? Here's a clear step-by-step walkthrough to get your FL Studio beats into Roblox, legally and effectively. First, you have to create your music in FL Studio. Launch FL Studio and compose your track using tools like the playlist, piano roll, mixer, and your favorite instruments. Once your song is ready, go to File, Export, and save it as an MP3 or WAV file. A tip: make sure your file size meets Roblox audio limits for faster uploading. Next, you'll have to upload your audio to Roblox. Head over to the official Roblox audio upload page at roblox.com/develop. Upload your exported audio file. Note that Roblox enforces size and length restrictions, so your file must comply. Step 3. Copy the audio asset ID. Once uploaded, Roblox assigns your file a unique audio ID. Copy this ID. You'll need it when adding the sound to your game inside Roblox Studio. Step 4. Add the audio in Roblox Studio. Open Roblox Studio and insert a sound object into your game part, GUI, or workspace. Paste the audio ID into the sound ID property. This links your uploaded audio to your game. Step 5. Play the music using a script or properties. Use basic Lua scripting or object settings to control the audio. Now here's an example code right here. This lets you trigger music in your game, adding mood, immersion, or interactivity. Important legal and compliance notice: only upload audio you created yourself or have proper rights to use. Avoid uploading copyrighted music or unlicensed samples. Always follow Roblox terms and conditions for uploading content. This tutorial is strictly for educational purposes and doesn't imply official support from Roblox or ImageLine, which is FL Studio's developer. And that would be all for this tutorial. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.